What's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I just recently celebrated my 28th birthday. Do I have any Capricorns in the house? It is Capricorn season. My birthday was on January the 2nd, so I'm just going to take you a little behind the scenes on what exactly it is that I did for my birthday this year. As you can see the video I'm showing you right now, I'm the type of girl that I love to have self-care days. So I'm always treating myself to a massage. But on this particular day, I did have the spa to myself. And I was just so happy and just so amazed that I was able to do that. And the spa that I go to, they actually let you stay for a long period of time. So I was just here meditating, had my journal, little bit of champagne, and I was good to go. So relaxing. I'm telling you, self-love is the best love, and self-love is definitely self-care. So on my actual birthday, I did do a paint party at Painting with the Twist. Because of the pandemic, I was limited with the invites that I could send out. So I'm just so thankful for the few friends that I was able to invite, and they showed up. We had a great time, as you're going to see now in these clips.
The day in the life of the key is me.
Yes, girl.
She always manages to pull it together, though. Always.
So I gotta get my.
It's these highlights for me, honey.
Yes.
You know, my mom was like, Kiana, you know she gonna be beat, baby. The makeup be laid, honey, all the time.
Miss Juanita knows. She knows. She knows. Okay. I don't have. Okay, I knew it's something I forgot to do. Oh, I actually like this dress.
Celebrate your girl Kiana. Yes. So her 28th birthday.
Yes, 28. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
When is your actual day? Is it today? Or?
Today.
Okay.
I already know I'm going to get somebody that's going to say something about us not wearing masks. Of course, you have to wear a mask to get in, just like if you were to go to a restaurant. But when you're at your seat, you can take your mask off, and that's what we did. So I don't want to hear any of that in the comments. And because YouTube is very strict on their copyright rules and regulations, of course, most of this video is going to be muted, and I'm just going to be playing a little bit of background music. But I hope y'all enjoy this mini vlog from my 28th birthday. Stay tuned so you can see, and also I'm gonna have all of the information down in the description box as well, because I know a lot of y'all gonna want to know where I got my dress from and where I got my cake. So I promise you, I got you. It's gonna be towards the end of this video or down in the description box below.
Yes, pull me up, sis. Pull me all the way up. Thank you.
So are we gonna use the wider brush to paint it in?
You can use either one of the brushes that you feel comfortable with. Okay. The wider.
Carly.
Over here too, guys.
Once you get the shade you want, just keep adding.
Once you get the shade you want.
Okay. So you know me, I'm an off-guard queen, so you just gotta and take some the other way too, like the long way. How's my hair look? How my hair look, y'all? Y'all gonna leave me? Y'all got some help. Are you recording? Yeah. On my YouTube channel. Oh, okay. Anybody around me, I'll be on YouTube. Oh, yes. Yes.
Okay, so
oh my God, look at that last one.
Ooh, girl, I am done with you for the day. So cute. Mr. Rouse,
This the one. It's the camera. Yeah, it's the camera. I'll say yeah, because I don't think it's the camera. My girl, she got me right. Even though my curl's gonna be looking a mess, but I got my flat iron with me. Okay, now look at us. Okay. Kaylee's got her back into it. Look at her.
she done already had back.
Wait, I can't see Alexis.
You try to do a paint.
Yes. Okay, y'all. Thanks. No, I said y'all. I didn't specifically say Simone, but yours looks good too. Yes, right. She a Capricorn, so I know she was gonna get that right.
I like that
Hey,
wine
Dee with the
color.
pink. Better represent with us. Look good.
Can mine be just
Oh, you went the light color for your background.
Just in case I have to give you the paint, that's all.
I want mine to be blush.
You, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kiana. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, now. Come on now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kiana. Happy birthday to you.
Yes, thank you. We are doing birthday toast, but I kind of want me in it, so can you record? It's already recording. Okay. Yes, it's a video. Look at her. She always ready. Always. Oh, yeah.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, can you? Turn on the flash, Simone. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Yeah. That's why. Yes. That's beautiful. Wow, but you can split that into two though. Where's the back?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah. This cake is.
I want to taste it.
This cake
This
is.
the real deal.
Yes,
Look
it
at
is,
that.
isn't it? The real deal. Yes. Can I just get a picture of the inside of that? Oh my goodness, yes.
And here are a few pictures from that night. You guys, I had an amazing birthday. Like, I want to say that this is like this was truly one of the best birthdays for me. I'm just so thankful for my friends turned family. I'm just so thankful for life, health, and strength. Just thankful to God to be entering 28. I feel like 28 is that year that you're realizing like, wow, I'm not in my early 20s anymore. Like, I'm moving on up in the world. I'm two years away from 30. So I'm just so excited to see what God is going to do in this year. Thank you all so much for all of the beautiful messages, comments, the birthday wishes. I really, really, really appreciate it. And I'm actually going to be going on vacation in a few days, so I'm definitely going to be recording that as well. So y'all make sure y'all stick around for that. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.